Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll discuss this solving an equation. Now, what is an equation? Equation is an algebraic expression having is equal to sign. For example, this x plus y. It is an algebraic expression. But when I put an is equal to sign, it becomes an equation. Now, what does it equal? This is equals to sign means it means whatever the operation we are doing on this side, same operation we have to do on the other side. For example, if a simple equation I have x minus 5 is equals to 17. Now, the basic purpose of equation is to find out the values of unknown. Now, what is the unknown in this case? X. To find out the value of x, we have to shift this y, this 5. Now, what is the sign with 5? Minus. The opposite of minus is plus. So I have to remove this minus 5 from this side to get x. So the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So what I will do, add 5 on both sides. Why we are doing it on both the sides? Because it's an equation. अगर सिर्फ मैं एक साइड पे करूँगी दूसरी पे नहीं करूँगी तो ये इज इक्वल टू साइन बेकार हो जाएगा. इज इक्वल टू का मतलब है बराबर. अगर यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज़ रख रही हूँ तो मुझे दूसरी साइड पे भी वो एक चीज़ रखनी है. अगर एक तरफ से मैं कोई चीज़ निकाल रही हूँ तो मुझे दूसरी साइड से भी वो चीज़ निकालनी है. सो x माइनस 5 प्लस 5 17 प्लस 5. We added 5 on both the side. Now the quantities are same and the signs are opposite. So they are cancelled. So x comes out to be 12 plus 17 plus 5 is 22. So the value of x comes out to be 22. Now how to check? So there is a rule, or we can do the verification whether the value is right or wrong. This is the best way to solve the equation. जब तक आप verification नहीं करेंगे आपको पता नहीं लगेगा कि आपकी वैल्यू सही है कि गलत है. In this way you can get whether the answer is right or wrong. Now in place of x, 22 minus 5, this is 17. So 17 is equals to 17, which means the left hand side and right hand side are equal. If they are not coming equal, it means we have not done it correctly. So अगर ये सही बराबर आ रहा है तो it means our corrections or the calculations are right. So we can write left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now if we have an equation with the multiplication sign, suppose if we have x upon 2 upon x or x upon 2 is equals to 5, like this. So what to do? Now this 2 is dividing, opposite will be multiply. Since it is an equation, so multiply both sides. Again the word both sides is important. With 2. So x upon 2 multiply by 2. Similarly 5 multiply by 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel. So x is equals to 10. Now how to check and how to verify? We can go to verification as x upon 2 equals to 5. In place of x, 10 upon 2 equals to 5. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. If we have the equation with the multiplication sign, for example, if we have 2x is equals to 10, again we need the value of x. No sign means multiply. Opposite of multiplication is division. So divide both sides with 2. We have to look at the coefficient with x. So 2x upon 2, 10 upon 2. This and this cancel. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. X comes out to be 5. So how to do the verification? We have to write down 2x is equals to 10. 2 and 5, this is 10. 10 is equals to 10. And again the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Now this is the simplest way of solving an equation. So inshallah in the next lecture I will discuss few of the complicated equations. We'll solve it and we'll do the verification. So I hope This lecture is beneficial for you in understanding the equations. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो काइंडली हमारा चैनल योर होम ट्यूटर को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें और अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। आपकी इसी एनकरेजमेंट के साथ इंशाल्लाह विल कम अप विद मोर एंड मोर न्यू टॉपिक्स। सो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब द चैनल योर होम ट्यूटर। थैंक यू।